rocket is on its own. 4 brave explorers ready to ride the most powerful rocket NASA has ever launched. Sound suppression water is flowing.
15.
And here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7. RS-25 engines lit. 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition. And liftoff. The crew of Artemis 2 now bound for the moon. Humanity's next great voyage begins.
Good roll pitch.
Roger, roll pitch.
Houston now controlling the flight of Integrity on the Artemis 2 mission around the moon.
Integrity, AMT high.
AMT high.
On time passing 30 seconds into the flights. Integrity passes the alternate MECO. Target milestone. Mission Control Houston seeing good performance on the 4 main engines. Space Launch System core stage. Integrity, 3 miles in altitude. Traveling more than 1,200 miles per hour. Mission elapsed time, passing 1 minute, approaching max Q.
On, Ponce de Leon.
Stan, we have you loud and clear on Ponce de Leon.
Have you the same?
Communication signal transfer confirmed as Integrity and its crew go supersonic. Approaching 90 seconds into the Artemis 2 mission. Integrity is 14 miles in altitude, 8 miles downrange, traveling more than 2,600 miles per hour.
People got stuck in space. 3 years. Yeah, it was like 3 years. Yeah, they had to transport gas.
1 minute 50 seconds of mission elapsed time, standing by for main engine throttle down to 85%, ahead of solid rocket booster separation, expected at the 2 minute 9 second mark. We see throttle down.
Come on, I want to see it.
Confirmed separation. Main engine's throttling up, guidance converged.
That's the separation that it is.
That's what it is. That's the separation. You're going to come straight down.
Integrity, guidance converged, performance nominal, upper stage RCS ready.
See it that high.
Copy all, Stan.
See, that's they're the dot, and that's separation.
Integrity, SM priming complete.
SM priming complete.
It just looks like
2 minutes 45 seconds of mission elapsed time into the Artemis 2 mission. Thrusters on Integrity and upper stage confirmed in a ready state, ahead of service module fairing separation. 3 minutes into the flight, Integrity 49 miles in altitude, 78 miles downrange, now passing 5,000 miles per hour.
you don't even know what float is.
Passing 5,000 miles an hour.
Oh, they separated again. They separated again. I think how much a buoy is in the atmosphere. See that?
Standing by for launch abort system jettison.
Houston Integrity, good last jettison, great view.
Copy jettison, TMECO 8 plus 02.
Millions. Just like
We see you sail on board, Stan.
And Houston has you loud and clear on Tidris at the common line.
They taking data.
Half a cup of popcorn and half.
Outstanding, Stan, we have you the same.
I think they're taking
3 minutes
data.
50 seconds into the flight of Artemis 2, Wiseman, Glover, Cook, and Hansen cross the boundary to space with good comm checks. GPS signals acquired after last jettison now working on internal checks to verify accuracy.
I just don't know why they need to
Flight
do it.
Dynamics Officer analyzed the time of main engine cutoff, confirmed at 8 minutes 2 seconds, time of MECO.
But it's too wide to see anything.
What are you doing?
Trying to see if we can see anything.
No.
No.
What?
It's too cloudy too.
Oh, you're not gonna be. able
It's
to-
4 states away.
no way.
And number 1, it's probably
It's going up, not across. It's going up.
Guys, look.
There's no way you can see this.
It's clear there, and they can barely even see it. They left Earth.
It's almost the camera's.
Integrity, GPS
It's too
processing.
cold.
Josh, look how constant.
Oh, no.
Outstanding, Stan.
Yeah.
We see the same, and we have a beautiful moonrise. We're headed right at it.
Josh, here's next.
That's a high-powered camera.
Did you remember?
Approaching 5 minutes into the flight, Commander Reed Wiseman confirms he has visuals of his destination. GPS guidance, navigation, and control software finishes internal checks and sends to navigation channels.
That's so simple.
However, this is still look.
To integrity, 3 engine press.
How's the camera still going?
3 engine press.
Or something. No, it's that.
On time now, passing 5 minutes 20 seconds of mission elapsed time into the Artemis II mission. At this point, 3 good main engines are all that's needed to carry Integrity to a nominal main engine cutoff target. Though at this time, we're seeing 4 good engines here in Mission Control Houston. Integrity, 75 miles in altitude, 330 miles downrange, approaching 10,000 miles per hour.
How much? 10,000 miles per hour they're going. Look at their little speck.
Someone could say that's a star.
Integrity, looking good at 6 minutes.
They've been flying for 6 minutes.
Same on board, Stan.
See 'em, from Florida. It's this tiny
Good
little
trajectory and engine performance. Booster officer will soon report the shutdown plan to Flight Director Judd Friedling, expected at the 7-minute mark.
speck. The side view.
Integrity, 78
Yes, Mom said we
miles
can't
in
go anywhere.
altitude,
We have to jump
460 miles downrange.
Integrity, expect nominal shutdown.
Like if you go back
Mark.
a little, miles an hour.
Integrity, 78 miles in altitude, 6 minutes 40 seconds of mission elapsed time. Shutdown plan is as expected. Again, the time of Miko was confirmed at 8 minutes 2 seconds into the flight.
They're still going.
Of course they're still going. They've been flying for 7 minutes now. Yeah.
7 minutes of mission elapsed time.
That thing's gonna get cooked, bro. That camera's cooked when it comes back to Earth.
Oh look.
Throttling down as we approach the abort once around option. Milestone at the 7 minute 30 second mark.
Yeah.
That's how hot it's gonna get. It's gonna be.
Now 84 miles in altitude, 650 miles downrange, traveling more than 15,000 miles per hour.
Yeah, you cheering.
Integrity, AOA
It's
open.
starting to burn up.
I knew that. That's for sure.
You know the rockets, guys. You know the rockets.
Haley open.
Yeah, we lost.
The window is now open for an abort once around option that would target splashdown in the Pacific Ocean. Still following nominal ascent at this time.
There. Josh, hold up.
Yeah, I bet. Dude, me and you are watching.
Hold up here.
Drink the pump.
About 10 seconds remaining until the main engine cutoff of the Space Launch System core stage.
10,000 miles per hour.
Standing by for confirmation of Miko
17.
and core stage separation.
17,000 miles per hour.
Mom, they're going 18,000 miles an hour now.
Good. Hope they arrive.
Arrive. They're going. Oh, look at the special camera. Look how far away that thing is.
Cool it.
You have to
It released.
Integrity, nominal Miko,
Go to
core
the
stage
sun.
separated.
Yeah, seen that. Seen songs.
Skip back.
No, we're just gonna have to watch this now.
We see the same on board, Stan.
Holy sh!
They're going 240.
8 minutes 40 seconds into the flight, we have a nominal main engine cutoff heading in the right trajectory on the way to swing around the moon. Core stage has separated, done its job. The Space Launch System upper stage, the Inner Rim Cryogenic Propulsion Stage, or ICPS, still attached to the Orion spacecraft.
No, what's that?
That's Miles.
Miles.
9 minutes of mission elapsed time. Integrity crew of Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Cook, and Jeremy Hansen now in orbit around the Earth at the beginning of their journey to the
Look
moon.
at it. They released. It's just their little pod where the people are.
Oh, I know actually. There's how many miles they have left to go. This is how many,
Integrity
how many miles they
Houston,
are
looking
going.
ahead to PRM
And this is,
numbers so far
how
per
fast
the
they
pad.
That's how much miles. What?
This is how many miles they have to get around and back.
Copy that, stand
This is how
numbers
many
for the
miles
pad.
they're doing. This how fast they're. This how far they've gone, and this how fast they're going.
Capcom Stan Loves were now reminding the crew that the perigee raise maneuver time of ignition is as expected prior to booster ignition. That time being 49 minutes, 50 seconds of mission elapsed time.
I'd say before that. What? Put a flood of that stuff in. Yeah. Okay. I go in about less than 40?
Yeah, Josh, stop eating. In case we give you that green battery.
That much better? Yeah. Hey, what heat did you have it at? Turn it on. 6?
You can six.
Nothing really.
Integrity, good. Neds deploy.
Speed slowly going down.
Up and then down. And then
Copy that,
up and then
stand
down,
good,
and then
Neds.
down, up, and then. Whew.